Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. A two-star Sudoku we have here. In yesterday's newspaper of Saturday, June the 12th, 2021. In additional, we have two Sudokus left. Sudoku with 2 stars and a tectonic one. So I will continue now with the 2 stars Sudoku, and this one will be number 2941. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Alright, 26 printed digits, and for a 26 printed digits and a 2 star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Yes, for a 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes, and for 4 stars, more than 30 minutes. All right, so let's get started. Let me scan a puzzle. 1, 2, 3. Which number shall I pick? How about the number we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, in the last column. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 5 and 9. 5 and 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then how about 1, 5, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 5 in this big square. We see here the 1 and the 3. So no 1 and the 3 in this box. The 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. Alright. Then let me see. One. Okay. Let me see. 873. 873. 1, 5, 6. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between. Only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Yeah. 1, 3. In this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, a 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then we have a pair. 5 and a 6 in the last row, 5 and a 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 5 and the 6 should be in those 2 boxes. Then one of the missing numbers in this row is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. So the 4 could be here or could be there. Well, another 4 there, so no 4 here. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this last row. For the numbers 8 and 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 is missing. 8 and 9. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9. 1, 3. 2, 8, 9. 1, 3, 7. All right. 4, 4. 6, 6. How about those 6? 3 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 5 and 8. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 9. All right. 5. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this middle row for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. So now we have a pair, 2 and a 9 in this row, 2 and a 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 and 9 should be in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 2 and a 9. So 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and a 3. That means those 2 boxes in this column should be the numbers 1 and 7. No, 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 7 is missing. 7 and a 3, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see this is number 1, number 1. Yeah. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 2 and 3. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 9. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 7 and a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 7 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Alright. Wow. The hay fever is getting worse. Yes. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2. The 3 is missing and the 4. 3 and a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2. Oh, 5 and a 7. Correction. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 6. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore, that box should be a 2, and this box should be a 9. And the last 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow. 2 stars. Well, let me give this a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes and I'm pleased with the time. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget. Only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also download a lot of playlists. Playlist for the letter Sudokus. Playlist for the Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. I have also a playlist for all the tectonics, all the binaries, all the killer Sudokus, heavy Sudokus, light Sudokus, quintuplets of the last 2 years I have collected. Yes, just subscribe and you'll find those playlists. Alright, thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling.